Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change your display name of Roblox on PC. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description and log in. You are going to click on the gear icon to click on Settings. After that, in the display name line, you will see the current name. Click on the pencil icon located in the right corner. In this window, assign the new name. Keep in mind that you can only do this every 7 days. Click Save. Now wait for the changes to be applied. You can see that the name is automatically changed in Roblox. It is possible to see the new name you have assigned in your profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.